Hello everyone, as you know, we are discussing class 9th English book Beehive and chapter is My Childhood. And in this chapter, we will learn about the biography of our president who is known as who was known as APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so in the previous video we have discussed two heading of this chapter, but next we are going to discuss third heading, inherited qualities. Okay, we are going to discuss inherited qualities. Inherited qualities means we can say that the qualities which we get from our parents, that is inherited qualities. Abdul inherited the qualities of honesty and self discipline from his parents. Okay, so inherited qualities, I have already told you that the inherited quality which we get from our parents is known as inherited quality. So PJ Abdul Kalam inherited the qualities of honesty and self-discipline from his parents. He also inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness from them. So here in short we can say that in APJ Abdul Kalam there are many qualities. First is honesty, second is self-discipline, third is goodness, and fourth is deep kindness. Okay, these are the qualities which were in the APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul's friends. Okay, next heading is that we will learn about APJ Abdul Kalam's friends. He had three boyhood friends. Okay, first is Ramananda Shastri, the son of the high priest of Rameswaram temple. There was a temple in Rameswaram and there was a priest whose son was Ramananda Shastri. Arvindam first friend was Ramananda Shastri. He was boyhood friend. Second is Arvindan and third is Shiv Prakashan. They had different religious backgrounds and upbringing. Still, they never felt any difference among themselves. They adopted different profession when they grew up. Okay, means here we have learned about the APJ Abdul Kalam's friends. There were many friends. First name was Ramananda Shastri, second was Arvindam, and third was Shiv Prakashan. They had different religious backgrounds and upbringing. Still, they never felt any difference among themselves. They adopted different profession when they grew up. Okay, so next heading is new teacher in 5th class. Here we will learn when APJ Abdul Kalam reached in 5th class, he faced a new teacher. Okay. His mother and grandmother told the children stories from the lives of Lord Ram as well as the Prophet. Okay, Abdul was in the 5th standard. When Abdul was in the 5th standard, he was told a story related to Ram. When his new teacher spotted him sitting beside a Hindu boy, who was Hindu boy? Hindu boy was Ramananda Shastri, the son of the high priest of Rameswaram temple. He asked Abdul to go and sit on the last bench. At this, his friend Ramananda Shastri felt very sad. When Abdul was called to sit at the last bench, then his first friend Ramananda Shastri felt very sad. His weeping left a lasting impression on him. After school, when the parents of the boys came to know about his incident, means we can say that Ramananda Shastri and APJ Abdul Kalam love each other so much. They summoned the teacher and asked him to apologize or quit his job and the island. The teacher regretted his behavior and was thus reformed. Okay. Next heading we will learn invitation for dinner of the science teacher. Invitation for dinner of a science teacher once upon a time. One day the science teacher of Abdul invited him to dinner at his home. Means Abdul was invited for dinner at science teacher's home. His wife refused to serve Abdul dinner in her kitchen. Means Abdul was refused to serve dinner in the kitchen of home, science teacher's kitchen, as she believed in religious segregation. Means here we can find the differences of religions. The science teacher himself served him food and sat down beside him to eat his own meal. The science teacher himself served him food when science teacher find a difference in the mind of his wife. He sat down beside APJ Abdul Kalam to eat his own meal. His wife watched it from behind the kitchen door. She observed no difference in Abdul's manner. When Abdul was leaving, the teacher again invited him to dine with him the next weekend. This time his wife served him food inside her kitchen with her own hands. Okay. Next thing is that sought father's permission to go to Ramanathapuram to study. Sought father's permission to go to Ramanathapuram to study. The Second World War ended. When the Second World War ended, everybody was optimistic about India become free very soon. When Second World War finished, India, then each and every person have a hope, become optimistic, India become free very soon. Abdul sought the father's permission to go to Ramanathapuram to study further. Although his mother did not like the idea, yet his father gave him permission. Knowledge of the children had their own thoughts about life. In this way, today we have completed the short summary of this chapter. Okay, so guys, your homework is that you should note down this summary in your copy and try to clear your concept. Means the chapter whose name is my childhood. This summary should be written in your copy in your own words, and you should try to clear your concept. Okay guys, so this is your homework. You should learn this summary in your own words. Still, if you find any kinds of problem related to this chapter summary and the chapter is my childhood, then you should contact to me without any hesitation. Okay guys.